If you have problems getting restful sleep at night, try whipping up your own Sleepy Time Gummies. It's a delicious way to start your bedtime routine, and it'll help you sleep all through the night. You see, researchers have found that Tart Cherry Juice, when combined with honey and salt, work wonderfully to balance your cortisol levels and blood sugar, which ends up helping your body enter into more restful sleep patterns. Gelatin is also rich in amino acids, which also helps to induce relaxation and sleep. So these gummies are helping you sleep on many levels. All you need to get started are a few silicone molds, 2 cups of Tart Cherry Juice, about a half a cup of gelatin powder, a third of a cup of locally sourced honey, and a pinch of salt. The first thing you need to do is to place your juice and your gelatin powder into a pot on a low heat. Once you've stirred them together, then you can add your honey. You want the ingredients to be evenly mixed, so just keep on stirring for about 3 or 4 minutes. Once the gelatin and honey are obviously dissolved into the mixture, you can turn off the heat. Now it's time for our silicone molds. You can use any shape you like. I just happen to prefer Star Wars shapes myself. Be sure to oil them up first so that your gummies come back out of the mold easily. All you do is pour your mixture into the molds, and then place them in the fridge. After about 2 hours, they should be solid enough to remove from the molds. I like to store them in an airtight container in the fridge, and they last about 2 weeks. You'll really enjoy getting some restful sleep once you make your own Sleepy Time Gummies, so why not whip some up today? I'm Jason Winningham, and this has been your Green Tip of the Week.